All right, good morning from sunny Tucson. Come on a training ride with me today. We're gonna go about 60-ish miles, try to get 3,000 feet of gain. It's gonna be a beautiful day in the upper 90s, mostly cloudy. We're gonna have a good time, so come along. Okay, there's the Catalina Mountains. Awesome, beautiful range. I'm on a bike path right now, about to turn onto the main road. About a little over 24 miles. I'm also testing out a radar, which I'll be curious to see how it goes. So the plan is I'm gonna take a left up here, and I've probably got 7-ish miles before I take a right, and got a fairly long and punchy category 3 climb. So I'm gonna get back to it. Climb. I'll be able to get some water at about 7 miles from here, so that'll be good. All right. All right, just refilled my water and electrolytes, had a snack, 31 miles in, and now I'm heading off for the hardest part of the ride. So that's nice, hitting the hardest part halfway through the day. Got about 1,200 to 1,500 feet of climbing. Let's go. All right, this is the Dove Mountain neighborhood. So like I mentioned, I've got that one big climb to do, but then when I get back, I'll hop back onto this road and ride up to the Ritz-Carlton for an extra little climb. I love climbing and riding in this very nice, private, gated community. It's so nice. One's the steepest, 15 to 17%. Got a little ways to go though. 11%. I can see it. Oh. Okay. Gear combo. It's gonna be my little chain ring, big cog, 35, 36. I'm 185 pounds, so I need that gearing. Yeah, buddy. 38 miles into the day. 90 degrees. Here we go. We're gonna turn, and it's gonna go steeper again. 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 400 watts, 19, 1 more. Oh man, rough climb. (15 to 19% gradients. That was rough, but in my neck of the woods here, it's pretty flat, and so rare opportunity close to home to get in some really good climbing. And like, climbing Mount Lemmon is fun, but it isn't really the same kind of challenge because it's, I think steepest gradient on Lemmon is like 8%, where here it's kind of average and everything is just punchy, real hard, short, super tough efforts. So I'm gonna get turned around, bomb down this descent. 38 miles in, oh my God, wow. A little sweaty and salty. All right, so yeah, gonna bomb the descent, film it on the GoPro, that'll be fun, and figure out if I'm just gonna head on straight home or if I do wanna actually do the climb up to the Ritz-Carlton. Let's find out together. All right, on my way back now. Climb up to the Ritz was great. Refilled my water up there. Now I've got mostly descending back to the loop trail, and then another 10 miles when I hop on that back to the home. Smooth sailing. Hell yeah. All right, well, I'm pretty freaking cooked. I did actually execute my plan today, which was to finish with almost nothing left in the tank. So I've got just under 7 miles back on the loop till I get home. It's flat, it's smooth sailing, so I'll make it. I'm not completely wrecked, but I'm pretty cooked. I don't have another climb in me for sure. So gonna hydrate, make sure I don't cramp, and hop in the bath with some Epsom salt later. Good ride. Thank you guys for coming along.